This is a classic. 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 This is a classic.
You are now tuned into Classic Podcast with Flazer, aka Mr. Tutsi with class, aka the only DJ who can f***ing rap.
Welcome to the Classic Podcast, my nigga. My name is Flazer, the motherfucking DJ, the only DJ who can fucking rap, aka Hipoka Sebele, aka Tutiana Le Classy, aka Mr. 400 Pula. I had to because he was there. But anyway, because me and Toti were class reading Kazi. It's a special episode, man. It's an interesting episode at the same time. Kena le mothako mongwana, kene matalori, kene tsepampapani. Musima, eh?
I got one Lord can give you.
Shut up, let me introduce you first. Matalori, tsepampapani, Musimano lwako tama.
That's right.
Wa matsatsenkani. Ladies and gentlemen, let's introduce OZI motherfucking Teddy.
What the fuck is going on?
What's up, Papa?
First and foremost, congratulations, nigga.
Thank you so much, my nigga.
Nigga. I see you clearly. What's up, one?
What up, one?
Hey, I tried it. Come on, yeah. Nigito, I don't know.
Kosa luning kana
Shout out to God. It's my third wife.
Yeah. Your third wife.
You asked.
When I'm also at. Kezoka.
Ofi. Oli. What are you taking 18-year-old? You gonna. When you come home, you gonna learn Christmas 2000 and. Yeah, no, what they? We mean like. What's that? You are laughing at my place.
Wait. This is interesting. You and kids.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Like, are you guys still together or you guys?
No, we exist in style. Like, we're a family.
Yeah.
We had a child. We're having another one.
It's still you.
Allegedly. So, yeah. We will never separate.
Yeah.
So I wish I were everything hell or
She's still in Tamar.
You got guy.
And then
like you move about classic podcast. Yeah, move.
And no go Tamar. And I understand that what happened there?
Distance.
No,
distance good.
Yeah, distance.
I get body long distance relationship.
Yeah.
Trauma.
What trauma? Oh yeah.
So we had to release Baby Blue. I love her. She did nothing wrong. I respect her.
Yeah.
Nearly distance.
Cause we're not gonna why rata and
I like a dog.
So I understand that Ugila Nagomungan, huh?
Yeah.
Nago how came idea in Walagan, Adi Bumgan Adiam. You moved it. When was it?
2000 Hagwina Gam Hadivizo gonna murder. Negotiate. So Maria Dagere Nagwating, I had been 11 years in the game. So Maria the guys, I was in 11,000. The guy was just in there, was under 10.
What's I just in?
I will get a low down 7-seater, girl, like guys, that's it. Kumatla Pan.
Hey, Matabana Kumau.
Kumau.
How was my own dog?
My own was beautiful. My own is still beautiful.
Kana I really ra my own na lo ena kana na kwa gore laitulu laitulu gape man laitulu wa tsala ga gona rata phonol wa go thama gatma stainless stacks or stainless
what ready you know the DVDs are porn right
on all DVDs are porn kan laitulu go tsila gore page ya go e blow mo kana kana laitulu na ireng kante. And I understand that you guys listen to Tama.
I really do not know. I'm still trying to crack the code. All I know is that I'm verified on the Facebook and I'm on, 200,000? And I did it the right way. So
what are you?
Was it tricky? You like what we did, was it tricky?
And I understand that Nakuila or Halitoko Mau, it was you.
I say I'm like deal.
Na so como no quit.
O go tsamaya batho ba le a be go bebale. O change. Camera Western car.
Yes. Can't that guy is not your nigga again. Oh, he used to.
No, he's my nigga.
Yeah.
He's my nigga. I'm just telling the truth.
Oh yeah.
Kana go tsamaya Western.
You and Ziggy, I understand that Kotamach.
Yes,
talent they buy a blind. There's Ziggy, there's
murder,
there's
Jamaica,
you know. Tamara, it's all a talent they buy a blind.
For sure.
And Malazing Bonor Hanky, how you well the Tata Kotamara? What's wrong with that? What's up with you and Tamara?
No, when the woman cheated on me with an 18-year-old.
Ish.
Right? Guys.
Can't we really an 18-year-old? Was that a rapper or a DJ or just
DJ Heroes? So we give Mozart nearly for pleasure, got nearly for ing.
Abagorari.
We want not to hear like an original.
But let me ask you this.
So Negi move up 15 minutes away from Tamar.
Where to?
Moshop.
Oh, como shop ke go kai?
Como shop agere. My father is from Moshoba. My mother is from TMG.
Yeah? And then you moved to your dad's place.
Yeah, I moved to my dad's place. Like the last time I moved to Zampa, I like One Cheki. It's on site.
In a one-man show.
No DJ as like DJ, almost trying to.
Also, it's one of
it wasn't his fault.
So this, ne? Hear me. Was it the first time Otwara Ketso out cheat? Have you ever cheated on Ketso?
Plenty of times. But what is that got to do with it, nigga?
No.
Let's talk about my pain, nigga.
Because what are you?
Revenge is not love. Revenge is not love.
What's love?
What's love got to do with it? What's love but me emotion.
But anyway, enough about, Keto and, shit like that. How's life, my nigga?
Man,
it's been a minute, Kiroboni.
Yes, sir.
And everybody knew that wherever Flazer is, wherever OZI F TEDDY is, they're always together.
Yes, sir.
Since COVID-19,
Kana, how you know movie only had to be some COVID before COVID. Is really be them on the way. What the mask? When you know the Kuala ni, kira wana kira makwa simulate. Magula around the country, but it's a real.
But anyway, for the classic viewers, those who don't know, right there in 2019, people don't know this story. Probably but to the classic viewers, this guy, 2019, he let COVID and I bet that 3 months. OZI na popular really. About like block 3 go like nothing.
Yes, sir.
America di great. Tsarets.
No, I get the resource. Ka ke quarantine.
Tsarets.
Nna re nne mo tjotjo.
Bogolo ha e re tshwara. E re tshwara rena la alcohol.
You must dilate. You must dilate. Wala I'm a star ke na le moviso.
Yeah.
Ke shoot like a COVID.
I'm a
So
star.
yeah. So now you feel every negative situation, you can turn it into a positive.
Yeah.
Also, we don't dwell on it.
Yeah, hence why we're together. Nakwele ya COVID. Ole monate.
I wanna run 400 this, 400 that. It's the classic.
We're here now.
Hey, we here now, nigga.
But anyway, as I was saying, now COVID. You did carry me through a phase whereby people don't know what I was going through shit.
I love you, my nigga.
Yeah.
That'll never change.
Yeah.
Kitlega bua motso ne di interviews di podcast or kana. Khayena di zela zeri artist. Zara me artist e one he. Ke Flazer. Ona graya.
Yeah.
Hey. Because when I took one for the team, let her go and see, and then you made me fuck that fat bitch. What did you do? Let you oil it.
No, you took one for the. By the way, for those who don't know,
Apollo. I think you change your mind.
For those who don't know, some chick called me 6 years voice. 6 years voice. Can't we don't know? So we did that. Another story, a different story. So we see who OZI F TEDDY took one for the team.
Right. I regenerate. Khagaja. Really in a lima betir. Ya move ya na
sex toy wa chiri.
Go dileng tsa
Dildo, eh?
Go dileng tsa lu. Ke nsalu. Ke bona.
Ile gore wa tse.
Zgiryo. Anga computer le AI. Mala ke artificial intelligence.
Dildo AI.
Yeah, ngwana. Am I allowed to hold you? I ain't with that shit.
But she's a lawyer, huh?
I didn't have a parents, bro. See you in court.
Protected, eh?
Yeah, no, I'll see you in court. Get out about defamation of character.
No.
Uncle Bokote, yeah. Yeah, we got the president on our side.
Ibilo Wankakol. You and Bok, what happened? People want to know another story.
I am not at liberty to say.
For real?
I get promoted.
No, like what happened? Like what happened? No, I'm coming through.
No, the only thing you need to know is legalize the hemp 2 minutes. Magula. Sarekela hatsela batswana.
Why?
Le lona batswana sa rekisetse magula le hatsi.
State of the nation address.
Legalize the hemp. We go just sing. We relax a good. Me I like to nigga Miami Amadi 2 hectares only. Taranyane ngwe ke aga ke nna ntsoro ke retirement plan.
I don't know what habata go retire what you venture churches.
Hey Jesus warehouse.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
If we could do what I could do, nigga. If we could do what I could do, nigga.
You and Ozzy had you and V-Man Peace. I understand that you guys had a relationship before.
Yes, sir.
And I don't know if it's still, are you down for him? Like, you and relationship, how it is?
V-Way, how long you are listening?
Yeah.
I dedicate this song to you, my brother. My soul says yes, says yes, says yes. My soul says yes.
And your body
says yes to the king.
Yes! I am! Love summer.
You want to view how many no more? Ah, it's got well like this. It's a moje. School at the go tea. That's about Tato Jessica.
Tato's Jessica.
I didn't want to go this moje. When I was out in Vegas, now my vita is so good.
But I understand that when man busy came to spiritually, like apparently.
Yes, sir.
Came to Limudimo, came to Leje, so you know, things like that. And also, me personally knowing you, I understand that you're a spiritual person.
Yes, sir.
Tell me more about that.
No, now I was raised in the church. I went.
Yeah.
Sutamini navy blue. But smaller.
Yeah.
So you win green. I went.
Yeah.
Give you Muruti Edward Munzus. Edward Munzus.
Edward. What Edward?
Munzus.
Wena.
Na kaorneke rata show ya de marbiwani and it's an every Sunday. Gospel. I went.
Yeah.
Oh lady, how about you do a child or the woman top
For church.
Gospel only.
Yeah.
So before I was Snoop Dogg or Little Bow Wow,
yeah,
my mother had the melodies.
Oh yeah.
So and it was all gospel. I believe in God. I love God. Jesus Hatal.
Jesus Hatal. Yeah.
How wanna be Narwa Rota? Narwa Rota chick.
Arorotaga.
Kota to Jesse, gotta get one on a young It's a moje, so I go more. At the visual, I read this part of palette. Eh, Moyo now,
But Mikan, Kanyaraman Peace, what Tato Jessica was that Tato na buahore nekana mo Christianity, you know.
No, what trend?
Yeah.
Horrible in African, Nilina Masangoma,
yeah.
Le Twasa, Gadi Weavy. What trend?
Hey.
Wawana,
yeah.
Hey,
already it's the in thing now, eh?
It's the in thing. The Talamanya na, and you think you are spiritual. You see water, I can hear this word.
When I used to ask, because Nikin Nakikono one out and say,
now God want to do it, killing the Rawan.
Hey. Loyalty. Homoking AK for machine gun.
OZI automatic weapon.
Yeah.
Hey. I was going to say
when I was cock.
Hey.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, we're out here in Cuba and Grill. If you want the best food, make sure you come through. If you want the coolest drinks, make sure you come through. We're here in Block 6, Maraburun.
Last time I was here.
Yeah.
You look like a t-shirt that Mosonaro guy had. This is the place to be. Good service, pretty girls. One Cheki, feel right at home.
You in Block 6?
Me and Block 6, nigga.
A lot happened here in Block 6.
Yes. Yes.
And kind of ever since that story, we have never sat down and talked about that issue.
Sit down, Wayne. Go, I guess now I get to la guys. I was on a tala because you niggas sit down. They will leave you. I will leave you. One of them. Or my papa, you on knife. You put out with the galan. Take a little bit of stairs. My business is that. Can I get on stop?
Can I get for some stuff? Yeah. You in Block 6. What's wrong with Block 6? Let me ask you this.
There's nothing wrong with Block 6. Block 6 is hey, Block 6 is sharp with hella.
Yeah.
Oh. Block 6 is sharp.
Yeah.
Why when I grab? It's the body and one I hit that the feels more line. No one to say sharp.
No one to say sharp.
Hey.
Yeah.
No, we don't taste no particular.
When at that time you didn't want
cocaine is a hell of a drug.
So let me ask you this.
Yes, sir.
Is it you or is it the people you hang around with or it's just the lifestyle or the mentality?
It's me.
It's you.
I'm the issue.
But now you're good. As Flazer.
Well, I mean, I'm trying to walk the straight and narrow.
Yeah.
Basketball with the nose.
Basketball with the nose.
However,
you're still drinking.
Look where
How's Lee, by the way? Oh, Lee is OZI F TEDDY's friend.
My son.
Yeah.
Now sharp. Nigga drop a back away. Maloba as girl.
Yeah.
Rovala 3 and the Bugatti 11. 3,800 bullet per time.
Yeah. Okay.
So, little who will school visa wanna get One Cheki show. That's all it's about.
Yeah.
The kids.
But before we cross to the One Cheki
show. We miss a lemon. In the one who got condom. Already.
I was about to
don't speak about my godchildren. Car, waruna. I was with you class. Classic boy.
Classic boy.
Yeah. He's on the way. Naga is a robot. I don't believe that I got eating chili. Walimpopo.
No, I don't have a problem. I'm busy. Eska boy. Retashera boy.
Wow, will it ulit?
What I tell you, put in like a monster.
No, I'm busy. My boutique Sarna Mall. What are you bringing to the table? Where?
No, I saw it.
Now I tell a Range Rover. I do.
Wait. Did they go Sarna City Kari, so not Spalapa?
Yeah, no, yes, Spalapa Navatangal.
I can't get back with it.
Yo. I will what then Nagan Namuswat.
But anyway, like I was saying, we're out here in Cuba, anyway, Block 6.
I guess it's over. Anyway, some movie come on.
Hey.
We're just partying. We're having a good time, my nigga.
One time.
I love you and both of your wives.
Yeah. And a shot to them, eh? Welcome to the Classic Podcast.
There's never been another.
So this she had a boy.
I know.
Wait, what are
In.
Udesha kabel gravia. Why is it gonna? But anyway, interrupt our.
Yes, sir. My bad.
Hey. Anyway, we're out here in Cuba, Block 6. This episode is proudly sponsored by Simply Pub and Grill out in Mudipan. If you are in Mudipan, surrounding areas like Botokweng, Bo Odi, Bomuchudi, Raboroni, you know. Yeah? Kojode. So if you want the best food, drinks, a good time, beautiful women, everything, make sure you go to Mudipani.
That's
and
right.
Have a good time.
For sure.
Relaxation Palace, you need to up your game. I understand that you guys are sick. You couldn't pull through. Or you know, how come I got a scary sneakers? One is blinded. Shout out to Tulis Corner.
The top is so much better than the bottom.
So much better. But anyway.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You know,
there's more.
I hate, you know, I don't want to talk about Boba Baksene. You've already talked about Boba Baksene, you know, your stories.
Yes, sir.
So many podcasts you get. So now I
should appella.
Hey, by the way, Can't go see Langor when I know what host a overview.
No, what they go replace we get high gear do it. Replace a Flazer na.
Hey.
Replace on.
So now they won't replace.
Hey, loyalty over man.
Even never want to tattoo ya loyalty. One more time.
Zuma Cheki.
Zuma Cheki. Loyalty. So what they won't replace.
Hey, happen now. I feel already. It's all another podcast. That one.
It's not your thing.
No, it takes commitment. I look at all this equipment. I look at your beautiful team.
Yeah.
What's the responsibility?
Yeah. And when
I'm a father. Can I go on to give a bit of when? Give a bit of G. Kataman.
Joey.
Eh. But it's a Yoli.
Yeah.
Wala Obama wall. So me, I'm just gonna stick to rapping, my nigga.
Yeah.
For now. After that,
that's
Jesus Warehouse.
Yeah. Hey. Jesus Warehouse. Oritar.
Kera ke aga ntsuru. Ibizo go the his church. So na ke tsora go the his. A go twa Jesu kana go twa ntsuru.
Go twa ntsuru.
That's a beautiful name for a church. Zoro, trademark that thing. Listen, y'all good.
Speaking of churches, when was the last time you went to church? Be honest. Let's not lie.
Listen, the last time I went to church, fam.
Yeah.
Niliku block 3.
Block 3.
Gana sa class in nature. CRT.
Shit. When was this?
2014.
CRC go block 3 industrial. Kako se fala na nyaka.
Like do a saga. Why is that le nag? Get a banana.
Like the Kingdom City type of.
More do it at 2 that's good.
Never thought we talk as got a pack.
I can have like rest.
No, nah.
Wow.
Ibile, I understand that Ibile is a movie it's out there in trouble.
So yeah, no, this is a guy.
Ja.
Oh, how is he we come relax? Dinonyani. Zale how. Oh, so now you are we are going. Miria tlevi di pomola last minute. E bidiva. Haile we na nonyani. Mudimo rata mang.
O rata rohle.
I got reverse him.
Give me Matthews chapter 6 verse 2.
Hey man, mind your fuck business, nigga.
I'm reading it.
I'm schooling this nigga.
No, Nike.
Hey.
What verses or chapter man?
Hey,
I don't even know. Was he telling the truth?
Yeah.
No, Nike to like verse.
It's poetry. So I paraphrased.
Yeah.
Marwan feel.
Now to the biggest, issue. I want us to talk about your show.
Yes, sir.
The One Cheki show. Yeah. Isimo I make on social media.
Yes.
And Lena as your friend.
Yes.
I felt like
no, the time is small to get I got to Cheki. Cheki.
Wait, una duel.
What like Hana Trace? Mushuba Stadium, Galapi. Haraja we like the Wakumara Mushuba. Atimates, Egamara Queta, Ligamazamuzaki. Kakumbian la Karakar.
So now duel.
Of course. He's a good guy.
Yeah.
Ari, he was in the wrong.
Oh yeah.
So sharp. Power. You look to mountain, Kaha, Maradu, Hobabala Manta. We should support him.
If he supports me, I'll support him. I don't have a problem.
If
you don't fuck with me,
Classic Podcast. Has Mola Chaya, but the Woody Hennis Musunaga.
One time.
This is soon like
But anyway, let's talk about your age. Yo. But anyway,
let's
talk about the One Cheki show. Like I'm saying, it started off like
No, it's going to be an illustrious hip-hop urban event.
It's only hip-hop. Only strictly
No,
hip-hop.
urban culture. Piano, house, the vibes.
But we understand when it comes to Cheki, it means like, hip-hop.
Banyana wa iranya ho binang ka mabella na go apple smoke to what
So when is the show? And
the show is on the 5th of April at the UB Amphitheater.
Yeah. The tickets?
Tickets?
General?
100 bula.
VIP?
There's no VIP.
Everybody's a VIP.
Ra go tla na check.
Okay.
Ibile ha ne ke khona. And then you go stage.
Ukumula stage.
Because the reason why people harass leaders is the power of the pulpit.
Yeah.
So now the performer agree. The whole stage gore. Emily,
go balance.
Halin tibile go godimo kwa.
Yeah.
La ganya tha, that one. Hey, this guy, he's perfect. Wabo, ya murdale. Nzana ene o aile the congregation.
Yeah. Okay.
Too many legitimate children.
So, is it going to be international acts or is it just 100% local?
Listen, ATI is the international act, nigga.
Yeah.
Hey, that's my first international act.
Oh,
DJ Ngwazi from TMG.
Oh, yeah.
International act.
Oh, yeah?
Hensi. International act. Skarabuaga mazatara bagar Chris Brown utaga var post.
So, kona le kganyeng we interesting ya khantile o impolela.
Yes, sir.
I want to talk about it. So, ware motho na reka ticket at $250. This guy, how is our monela ticket? I do like a e-wallet. I saw a ticket and then you gave him the free merchandise skipper. Because when you buy a ticket at $250, it comes with t-shirt, right?
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me show to the classic. Yeah.
Take it at 250. This one got t-shirt.
Yeah.
Like that, but reverse.
I saw send like
no, it's karma. In before, so I deserve. What's that? No, it is what it is. I want get ticket number 12 but I just really want him to see what I'm trying to get at. Hey, because 50 years from now, they say. So now, already.
So this guy,
he's going through a divorce, so I understand.
Soldier.
No, but
Lindsay Lidira Siriti.
Bona, Glen Valley analyze what hard.
Matata Geseski.
Matata ge masole. Glen Valley no jabwe.
No.
Yes.
No, I refuse.
Yes.
So Hannah was saying, oh, you're going to let him come through here.
No, he must come and see. I just simply find him, whatever he loves, let him fall in love again, and then he give me someone nothing. When I take him, he's a classic boy.
So, since are you in a relationship now?
Hey.
Do I know her?
I'm in a relationship with you, like. We are not in a relationship that I'm candy.
Kirenna.
Hey, you mean fornication?
Hey.
Damn, they
you see somebody?
Hey, people is fucking outside, my nigga. They fucking.
So where do you stay nowadays? Kinda last week I bumped into you.
So I got drop location. I'm in front of all these motherfucking civilians.
No, I get a
Cheki ga tonna. Cheki tsoga tlem. Cheki. Hela, ke tshwere sennan. Pi.
o hitse story sa go le baksena ga no poka tlhole nga go kokotela.
Ke nna kwano mo Cuba. Hala tlhole ke drop location ka no se ke drop location. Le chiki vela ngo kokotela kwa le mura.
Kotama.
Give me the location.
Let's talk about your music now, dog. You've been quiet for a long time now. You haven't been dropping music. People are missing you. And
I get this question. I get this question all the time. I get this question all the time. I've been quiet for so long. I am the last nigga in urban culture who dropped the project. I'll be rich by Thursdays. The problem is not about me dropping music. The problem is the listeners. Y'all niggas ain't feeling me.
Yeah,
but you gonna feel me, nigga.
So when can we expect new music?
Kausan. When can we expect this?
Friday.
All right, cool.
It's drop on Thursday, so our Friday.
I'll be rich by Thursday, nigga.
And then on Friday you'll be broke.
Yeah, I'm gonna take guys in them. Because I get my music here. Last,
yeah.
I wanna sustainability. Because I get Cosbot is buying company cars with our money. How the fuck? I want to get the me when y'all got a company car when my music is keeping the lights on in your fucking building.
Yeah.
Hey. So y'all know now the girl in schooling Salo for 7 years. Ebra resta Murubisi 17. Kandele yana ki tulana le na mo block 6.
Huh? Wait, repeat that again. Onoela in school in Salo for 7 years. Oba go tulana le khatha Murubisi mo block 6.
He's walking. He beat the case.
Nah, it's not around.
Okay, we get tau.
Remember that?
He mysteriously disappeared.
Yeah, the one date.
Let's get a flag.
No.
These are the thoughts that we have as the youth.
There's a rumor that I think it's the beginning of this year or last year. I think it was last year. That, OZI F TEDDY's music has been playing on radio stations.
Exactly.
Like that. So. No, wait. Listen. There have been so many rumors that apparently OZI F TEDDY was doing media sangana ka sepeke Cosbots. Towards end of the year 2024. Or the music you have on the time make the royalties so
11 years.
11 years. So
pending royalties.
Had the media
Oh.
Apparently.
Yeah, I got the
from a close source.
Hey, where I get Andres?
Hey.
How the highest paid was Chef Gusto's with 64,000.
It was 68.
11 years, Chef Gusto's, Amanando's, my African dream. Make it make sense. Where my money at?
So look on up until today, listen. From a close source, listen. How to do it to my dear son?
Money came in, but it wasn't fair.
It was how much?
Now Chef Gusto's 64. You will never see my check, nigga.
Yeah, I can't have a
Born.
Cause was again.
How about the land? Holla at your boy.
Hey, how does Kima do, man?
No, I had the land before I knew the big home. So it was
all a lie now.
What was a lie? No, I cannot
for,
see
for the past 11 years.
Listen, it's a significant check. But it wasn't fair. It was shaved off the top. In 2018, Gira Miss Botswana curate to give you.
Yeah.
Shaved off the top. Drama went Tarmon. I get to run over the office in Yaga, BK Proctor, I tell her. No, my guy. Hey, guys, let's band together and bring back this money. I'm like that. I'm gonna keep this. Can I pick up moves? Now let them gustos. Can I get a mister?
Yeah, how good one it. You and Murder Dog. What's up with you and Murder? Like we expected a lot of music from you and Murder, and then the last time.
Yeah. Murder Summer.
Yeah.
2 coming soon.
Murder Sam coming soon.
But we too late.
Yeah.
That's my guy.
So you guys, there
are no discrepancies.
Nah, don't lie.
No, but we go but B is young. Yeah. So nude. That's all it is. He got 2 albums, one of the best graphic designers that I've ever seen. But we got trying to defend me. Boy, bleeding out my shit. That's my brother.
Yeah.
Hey.
So what happened?
They can never separate us. They can try investigate us. They will never terminate us. Baby girl, update your status. I need that one beside me. When it's the movie doing your with Bella or what is? So I never get quiet.
What has Salah?
Yeah, separate us on YouTube.
What has Salah?
Hey, Lamon. Get like that.
Get right in this thing.
Get like that.
Fuck this thing, dog.
Hey, when I go and somewhere at this.
Hey, I'm not like that.
Hey, Lord, let me interview you, nigga.
What do you want to know?
In the middle of nowhere, Winchester.
Hey.
Shit, man.
Loyalty, dog. Loyalty.
Over everything.
Over everything. How go Aratara Sokola Sokomau, Ele Nawe and Azigi and Stanley Lelat.
So, I take a 5 liters. I'm easily pushing Navar, Nella Mokan, and I share. Winchester.
Hey. Be careful.
Capella.
So, let me ask you this. Who's that one artist you'd love to collaborate with? Dead or alive?
Dead or alive. Niggas wanna stick me for my paper. Niggas wanna stick me for my paper. Who that? Biggie, nigga.
Biggie or Tupac?
Biggie is the nicest, the illest. Tupac is the realest.
Fuck Biggie, dog.
If
you have to speak to one person in life, who would that be?
My grandfather.
Why?
Aaron Moros. He taught me everything I know.
Even the raps?
Besides the raps, that nigga can't rap for shit, but he can skip a line. Rest in peace. But he can skip a line at the hospital and tell me how to do it. The first time, he terena. When he moved to the yellow.
Yeah.
It was him.
Yeah, no, and yeah. So when I say we see everything, no, yeah.
It's like a small tomato.
Fruit. Small one.
Why you just support?
What's that one thing you do when you wake up? The first thing that you do when you wake up. We ran hela santle hela ha o tswa wena o na le mang kana o ira a o wana o na le mosadi a
go tlolla cheki hey, just like everybody else, just because I'm the GOAT doesn't mean I'm not human. I do the same thing y'all niggas do, but I wake up, my dick is hard, Praise God.
Okay. Hey, when was the last time you said, I love you?
I love you. 5 seconds ago.
No, so I'm OZI.
To who?
No. Besides that.
To
when
who?
was the last time you said? No, when was the last time you said, I love you?
I just said it.
No, Harry, besides that.
Hey, rewind the who. I will check out the last time I love you. Kill it. Can't make it has its war.
Fuck you. If you're given one chance, listen. Listen. Cabon. Usa. If you're given one chance to speak to the younger you, what would you say?
I would say, fuck you, nigga. You fucked up. You dropped the ball like I was Zeus. Hey, nigga. Coming up your rank. And the Zeus was out like Jay-Z. You far from that, nigga. And the sky we listen to me, nigga, like them and I'll whoop your ass, you bitch ass nigga. What is this last time I got punching bag on Facebook? Punching bags don't punch back, pussy.
What's up with you and Zeus?
Fuck Zeus, nigga.
And his old damn crew?
Zeus agree Sigana, one more rapper. Fuck him.
What's up with you and Zeus?
He dropped the ball. The first CD. Get raga. Was on a good music. I go revolve.
Yeah.
Zeus flip side.
Yeah.
Ma. Champagne music, you remember?
Yeah.
2 hours, Channel O. Drop the fucking ball, cause you a hoe, nigga. You not hoe. You a hoe.
Would you put him in your top 5? B-Dub?
Never.
Rappers?
Why would I do that for?
Give me your top 5.
B-Dub?
B-Dub. Give me your top 5.
AGR?
Oh, you can tell me.
Damn. That's a tough one.
Yeah.
AGR?
Yeah.
Drama Boy?
Yeah.
Who shall not be named? Sasa Class?
3.
He's coming up. He's nice. Chakalas one time.
One time, boy.
Lemon.
Yeah. No, not to give more. Yeah. 4. The last one.
Honorable mention.
When he can say Moti. The last.
No, Moti.
When I try Moti.
You wanna force me a top 5?
Yeah. The last one. Ska.
Axi.
Nah, Sky is the
Baxter?
GOAT. What are you talking about?
Baxen.
Bagdini. What?
O come say Moti.
Huh?
Not top 5.
We rather be near vaccine when.
Fakra.
Never heard of it. That's my nigga though.
Hey, Flazer, I go with that. OZI Other Sky is a film musician. What's his take on it?
Hey, yo, the classic viewers. Seboza Sibuankahana Mike is asking that Kanya or Sky is a failed musician. What's your take on that? Because he was trending last week. Hey, Sky is a failed musician. You know.
Hey, I gotta chill phone.
Hey, yeah.
No, gossip is poison. You know what? Collective consciousness. I get right. That's why I'm not on the social media. Get posted with them every kid. Sky's not a film musician, nigga. Everybody motherfucking know what a hippie hour. What this is. A lot of never.
What's your favorite Ska, song?
Voices in my head. I hear voices. Give voice. Hey, are you listening to me?
Yeah.
Can respond? Nah, I'm remixing. That's open bar. That's not happy hour.
Yeah.
Hey, that's him. Sky's the goal. We got bars over here.
Yeah.
Hey.
That's your favorite.
Back to Zeus, bitch ass. What's up? Hey. All right.
What's up with you and Zeus, dog? And this thing is
Zeus, my grind.
Yeah.
I love Zeus. How you at Rough Riders?
Yeah. If you eat how you do it, yeah.
I was Zeus's hype, man.
Really?
Hey.
Really? The orange strip.
Can I get a Mr.
Huh?
Hey.
That was the orange 555 Munyaka,
Hey,
right?
nigga.
Yeah.
Make a song called On My Grind. He makes the remix.
Yeah.
Hey, I sometimes I go manash.
Hey.
I'm like, I'll sleep on your couch, man. I want to do SABC one. It's got room live. Can we do the record?
Yeah.
Yeah, I tell you, I got more on Chloe.
Just
fuck
like
it. That's not anything you to chew. My song, nigga. Shout out to Rims. Trying to low bro me.
So from Rimsey to Fella, what the transition? What happened?
Nothing.
You felt like no, it's we're done with
it. Fella.
Yeah.
Knows. Jorge Momo rutile ngwira ya.
Kirimzi. Kirimzi.
Ah, fella mo na.
You lie.
Fella na DJ jere ngwana. Ke mo za ruira ya ngantara na me.
You lie.
Mo ra grau. Ora me tira ngana ska kaka.
So Fella rutile Kirimzi.
We are FMA.
Ah, that's nice, huh?
For you, nigga.
But I don't. Anyway.
Fuck Zeus. Hey, no, my bad.
It's about Flazer the motherfucking DJ, the only DJ who can fucking rap. We're about to wrap this thing off, man. Shout out to OZI F TEDDY, Tapam Lord for pulling through. Any last words, my nigga?
Rest in peace to AKA. Rest in peace to Drummer Boy. Shout out to ATI. Shout out to Go Hard. Shout out to the Classic Podcast.
Yeah.
Shout out to everybody who's ever helped me.
Yeah.
Shout out to Rimsey. Shout out to Fella.
Yeah.
Shout out to Joey. Hey, I'm Mike. Shout out to BOZA.
Hey.
Shout out to Mega Zeep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shout out to Bridgeway. Shout out to the Vineyard, Alcatraz, and Capadonna.
That's it.
Shout out to my son.
Your new girlfriend?
Shout out to Bait.
Shout out to the One Man Show.
Shout out to Baxon.
When that happened?
Shout out to April, geezer.
Nah.
You ain't fucking with her?
Nah.
King with her?
Nah. No, it's fine. Story for another day. Story for another day.
Shout out to Diva.
Yeah, shout out to Diva.
Hey, shout out to Machudi and Krenko. Shout out to JD.
Yeah,
Superstar.
Yeah.
Classic boy. Shout out to Chef Gustos.
Yeah.
Even though I told him on my way from Francistown, like, my nigga, you ain't rich as you think. No, I didn't have
Oh yeah.
Hey, I'm like, yo, get your man. That nigga ain't got no bread. I've been in your house, nigga. You ain't got no paper.
But no, he has the
Shout out to TMG. Shout out to Murder. Got a bag? What is it? MCM? Envelope? What is it?
No, I don't know Gustos.
Goose, love you, nigga, but you ain't rich as you think, nigga.
Any new music coming out soon? When can we expect that?
Let me finish my train of thought. There's no rich artist.
Yeah.
Goes on.
V-Man Peasy.
Nigga ain't got no paper.
V-Man Peasy.
Nigga ain't got no paper. How you got paper when you got one whip or you're way bent? Are you crazy? You know how many whips I crashed? So I get it, Lord Woman.
I shot the hard there.
Shout out to Chengeta.
Yeah.
Shout out to Chengeta.
Yeah.
I'm pulling this over now. This Singapore. This is for real. This is what? Y'all niggas ain't got no fucking paper.
Hensy.
Shout out to Hensy. He got a real Benz.
Yeah. It's in your fig.
I be like that band.
But anyway, man, let me love and leave you, man. It was a good time having OZI F TEDDY, man. It's a dope episode. For me, it's a dope fucking
For real,
episode.
there's people around us. People are genuinely interested in me, my nigga. Huh? People are genuinely interested.
Yeah.
In the classic podcast, man, give me my championship belt, nigga. I'm the GOAT.
Last one I can. A classic podcast.
It's all about the game.
Rinse a hella job.
Can you smell what the
OZI F TEDDY is cooking?
There you go.
Start on top one.
Apple.
What the? Hey, shout out to Masgulager.
Nah.
But you wrote her verse.
Nah.
Who wrote the verse, nigga?
I did.
Shout out to Masgul.
Nah.
What the Flazer Da DJ?
Apple avapa.
Oh, hey, la chem. Ito yung salanta kaya Apple mo look.
This is like literally the second time Apple a move look 6. Can we go back? Hey. Scalpel and Raz. Till I get my money right.
You can do that again.
That's the classic podcast, my nigga. You know how it does.
One Cheki show, man.
One Cheki show. Ema pay. War invite to go show nyako.
Hey, Rekai.
Remo Cuba.
I want a VIP. Classic podcast will be there. Okay. Bilarin to arba interview.
Mama.
Ba ikile mbarata bunyo pona peshe. Ba tsore ke ora di club.
No, like for real now.
For real. Classic podcast will be at the show.
Yeah.
Remember, 5th of April.
5th of April?
5th of April?
Yeah.
Kaya nyala ko UBMP theater.
Wanyala ko.
Hey.
Unyala ma.
Huh?
Unyala ma.
Getting married to the game, nigga.
You know.
It's our son, huh?
I know. That's me.
But anyway.
Thank you, like dog.
One time. It's good to see you, my nigga. Let me love and leave you. I appreciate, everything that you have ever done. Yeah, no, thank you so much.
You asshole.
I think it was guess who look
Lagal. Cut. My boy. That's right.
Yeah. It's your boy Flazer the motherfucking DJ. The only DJ who can fucking rap. Make sure that you like, you subscribe on YouTube.
For sure.
You share.
You comment.
Rehola kalona. Shout out to Black Pixel Creations. Shout out to Mr. Creative. Shout out to Original Concept. Shout out to DJ BOZA. Shout out to Simply Bar and Grill. Shout out to,
Cuba.
myself and I. Shout out to Cuba and Grill also. Shout out to the classic viewers, man.
The classic motherfucker viewers. And our unborn son, classic boy. I don't know what he means.
No, he's coming through. Can't do anything but he miss anyone.
Imisa.
Corona sensitive. You can't rafu che.
Kiraf.
Hey.
Me gonna get like this sharp boy.
What lo wadi camera read the model of Murage.
They say if you build it, they will come.
Yeah.
This is a classic. 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 This is a classic.